Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Fatal Error C0000022, then please stick around for the solution. So there are only a few solutions here. One would be to do a system restore. So how we do that is we look for recovery in the search bar and we will open the system restore and we will restore this to a previous date. And when you click finish, the system will restore to a previous date. So if this doesn't fix the error, then what you need to do is you need to update Windows. So we'll right click on the start button, look for settings and look for Windows update. Check for updates, click on it, and advanced options, optional updates. If there are any optional updates, click on them. If both these options do not work, then we have an option of an SFC scan. How do we do that? We look for command prompt in the search bar and we open it as administrator. Right click and administrator. And we put in the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. This should resolve this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.